क्रिस्प रखना है आज।
क्रिप्स
बिग बॉस।
क्रिस्पी
गिर भी सकता है।
गिनर।
वी आर लाइव गाइस। हेलो।
हेलो।
आर वी लाइव?
हेलो।
हाँ पीयूष, आज
Hey
मैं
man.
होस्ट कर रहा
हेलो
हूँ।
हेलो।
फुल
Where
आज
is
तुम्हारे
Piyush?
हेयर स्टाइल के बारे में बात होगी और
कौन करेगा? कोई नहीं
मैं
करेगा।
मैं पूछूंगा तुमसे
नहीं यार, ऐसे
आपका
सवाल
इसके पीछे का क्या
हम
है
लोग
ऐसे हो जाओ
ऑडियंस
क्या?
पोल
विजन।
चालू कर सकते हैं। रेट पीयूष हेयर ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to -10.
कोई लाइव नहीं है, वील डू दिस इन अ बिट मे बी, फिलहाल मतलब लोग आ जाए तब, बट करना है ये।
हेलो। चेक लो।
यार तुम लोग का ये हो गया है
क्या हो गया?
फ्रिज।
मैं आई एम आई
नहीं,
फ्रोजन? नहीं
फ्रिज
मैं
हो
पीयूष
गया।
और
ये भी
शिवम
अच्छा।
रेफ्रिजरेटर हो गए वो लोग।
ओ
ये भी
हाँ,
कर
हम लोग
सकते
क्या
भाई।
तुम्हारा हो गया था।
इसका
इंटरनेट।
LHS
हेलो
इक्वल्स टू RHS।
हेलो
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 अनुराग,
हेलो।
हेलो हेलो
अनुराग
भाई।
जी।
वेलकम। हाँ तो क्या चल रहा है सबके लाइफ में? शौर्य, हाउ आर थिंग्स इन कोलकाता?
गुड यार, आई एम एंजॉयिंग माय टाइम अवे फ्रॉम द किचन।
हाँ यार, वहाँ पे
ये
लॉकडाउन एकदम इंटरमिटेंट है ऐसा पढ़ा मैंने।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सो इट्स लाइक 1 or 2 days a week. They decide a month in advance. Usually it's like one weekday, one weekend day, which is lockdown. बाकी खुला रहता है.
अच्छा।
I
और
wouldn't know. I don't go out
गुड,
mostly.
मत जाए।
हाँ.
और विकल्प
बात
रायपुर,
सही है भाई।
हाउ इज रायपुर?
रायपुर अभी तक एक्सप्लोर किया नहीं है। जयपुर काफी अच्छा था। अभी एक दिन ही हुआ है उधर रायपुर आए हुए।
Cannot able to see
ओके।
ऑन
who's
क्या
there.
नॉट?
योयो
अनुराग।
हनी सिंह।
Whose hair you think they are talking about?
Definitely not yours because you don't have any left almost.
हाँ, लेफ्ट और राइट।
Left or right?
हाँ तो पीयूष बताओ क्या इंस्पिरेशन था इसके पीछे?
हाँ कुछ नहीं यार, पागल हो गया हूँ भाई मैं लाइफ में।
लग नहीं रहे हो यार पागल, एकदम सेन लग रहे हो।
मिस्टर डिमेलो।
Taxi driver. I thought you'd say taxi driver.
टैक्सी ड्राइवर?
कौन
Taxi
सा
driver
सांप बैठा है भाई
मूवी में
सिर पे?
करता है ना वो ऐसा.
मैंने नहीं देखा है।
मस्त मूवी है ब्रो, देख.
अब देख तू अभी देख।
अभी
अब ये
देख.
सब लाइव वाइव बंद
लाइव
करके।
बंद कर दे.
बहुत बोरिंग हो गई जिंदगी लेकिन यार।
यार
मतलब
यार
हाँ,
स्क्रीन
अब
यार
शेयर
एक
नहीं कर
तो
सकते.
बारिश ही
भाई
होती
यार
जा रही
सोच
है।
रहा था मैं कि हम लोग जैम करते, लेकिन तुम लोग अब अपने अपने शहरों में हो।
हम्म.
जैम रूम खुला कहाँ है?
नहीं जैम रूम नहीं, यहाँ मेरे मतलब हम
ओ
लोग के घर पे।
ओ
यहाँ तो
हाँ
सीन
यार.
कर
पे
सकते हैं।
स्नीक इन वाला सीन है।
मिश्किल हो गई मिश्किल।
सभी
लाइव।
स्नीकिंग किया था ना, सभी और फहाद लास्ट वीक.
हाँ लोग करते रहते हैं अक्सर।
स्नीक इन मतलब?
आते रहते
चोर
हैं।
टाइप के लोग हैं ना।
उन लोग को गार्ड को लगता है रात वालों को कि ये लोग रहते हैं। वो लोग बात बात करते हुए आते हैं। हाँ तो अरे यार आजकल इस टाइप से कुछ
अच्छा,
बात
एज
करते
इफ
रहते हैं।
रेगुलर है, वहीं यहीं रहते हैं.
हाँ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ
हाँ.
अंदर घुसते हैं और कुछ नहीं बोलता। गार्ड एकदम मस्त हो गया।
ओके। अच्छा आज के गेस्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं।
हाँ ये हम लोग का कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत बोरिंग हो गया।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार, यू कैन कंटिन्यू।
You can, I can continue. Then what will you do alone?
ओके। Today's guest, she is a singer songwriter, and this in fact this is the I mean not today but 1 year ago she released her debut album Babel Fish, and
तुम टुडे बोले दे रहे थे।
नहीं टू, हाँ गलती से
But not on this day, right?
not on this day,
Maybe
no.
not on this day.
Yes, we'll ask her what was the
Yeah.
day when she does
And I
come
also
on.
want to know what Babelfish means.
You know
हाँ
already,
यार,
no?
How do I know? You know
बबलू
क्या?
भाई तो पता है हमको, क्योंकि
I
बबलू
know.
I हाँ, मैं that would be मेरा भी
बाबला
guess
भी
वही
पता
था.
होगा।
बाबला।
बाबला.
हाँ बाबला भाई तो कोई ना कोई होगा तुम्हारा जानने वाला।
हाँ.
बाबला दा।
बाबला the fish.
Anyway, there is feedback that feedback is coming.
Yes.
From my mic.
feedback or feedbacks.
अबे यार ये कैसे हो सकता है? क्योंकि
अब आ रहा है?
प्रतीक बोलो,
मुझे नहीं आ हेलो चेक
अब नहीं आ रहा है।
बेटर है बोल
मेरे
वी आर
घर से आ
गेटिंग
रहा
अ मैसेज दैट बेटर है okay without further ado I think we should bring on
Adu,
our guest for today can we yes please thank you
please.
Ravi hi wow
Hi.
Hey,
you're
Oh, there
already
was a
laughing
drum
at
roll
us
also.
yeah, table roll.
Yes,
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते।
thank you, thank you, thank
नमस्ते।
you.
welcome welcome
Namaste, namaste.
welcome
Thank you so much.
how are you
ठीक है यार, as okay as you can be.
okay so please correct or just tell us it's been a year since you launched the album right
On the 9th of August.
okay so not
So
Not that
quite
far away.
so
quite close.
2 days
Yes.
oh nice so how does it feel 1 year album has been out
Feels surreal, man. अभी कुछ दिन पहले I heard the album myself. ए, बहुत delay आ रहा है.
yeah
Where is that happening from? Hello, testing.
माइक म्यूट करो यार।
हाँ.
हाँ।
So I hadn't heard the album myself for such a long time, and I think a week back I chanced upon it. फिर से मैंने सुना, and it felt so surreal. All those memories of the tour and preparing and the tracking, all of it just came back. So it was pretty crazy. यार. एक साल हो गया. I really can't believe it. But
Yeah.
it's
जब एल्बम
happened.
बन रहा होता है या रिलीज होने वाला होता है तो एकदम से लगता है ना कि मतलब
It's
अब
a
तो ये
different kind of trip.
जिंदगी बदल जाएगी।
Hmm.
हाँ, and you're so in that process, you're in that zone कि अच्छा इसके बाद एक हफ्ते बाद ये करना है, and then pre-prod खत्म होगा, tracking होगी, mixing and mastering, all of that, and then the launch and the tour. So everything is so planned in your head, and then it all happens, and then yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and like
Yeah.
after you release it, you don't want to listen. At least it happens with me.
with
Yeah.
me
After
also
I've like recorded a song or performed a song,
Huh.
I don't feel like listening to those songs for
for a
some
while
time
at
at
least
all. Yeah,
Yeah, totally. That happened with us. Titus too, I remember he was like, after the launch tour finished, he's like, बस I'm done for a while. 2 महीने तक मुझे disturb मत करो. मैं अपने आप को एकदम clean slate करूँगा, and then we'll start thinking about something else.
yeah.
so where all did you play as a part of the tour what were
So
the
we played at Guwahati. We played at Gurgaon, Delhi, and yeah, and then back to Mumbai.
nice
Nice.
nice so how was it like
You
मतलब
guys went to some पहाड़ also, no? कहाँ गए थे तुम लोग?
हाँ
कौन से पहाड़ में गए थे? अरुणाचल?
देख देख के जल
कसौली.
हाँ, कसौली गए थे।
oh
हाँ,
wow that's
that
already
also
nice.
happened. That was before the album got launched. So there is a festival called the Kasoli Rhythm and Blues
Yeah,
Festival.
I've played it
So, you did? Okay.
never mind continue
So it was, I think it happened sometime in April. So yeah, it was like a vacation, and you get to play your music, and the sun is setting right around our slot. I mean, it was quite a beautiful experience. After the festival finished, we all just packed ourselves in a cab and we went to Chel. I think it's around 3 hours away from Kasoli.
okay
तो वहाँ पे there is like this tiny सा homestay जहाँ पे ऐसी प्यारी सी पहाड़ी family that runs it. So we spent 3-4 days just eating and there was so much silence there. तो वहाँ पे we just eating all the home cooked food वो बना रहे हैं and we just enjoying the view and just enjoying the silence. So that was quite a
3-4 days just eating huh? That's cool
just
nice is your band into eating a lot because
all
Vlad
of
also
us
does
are.
that. Yeah.
हाँ, I remember जब गुवाहाटी में we had gone, so we had I mean all these guys. There was this one particular dish, I think some pork chop or something with bamboo shoots. इन लोगों ने इतना खाया वो. Even after we were done playing the gig at that venue, they packed like 2 packets of it. They're like घर ले जाएंगे खाएंगे. So yeah, yes, we are a band of foodies.
म्यूजिशियंस का दूसरा काम ही यही रहता है लगता है,
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ,
वही सोच
yeah, yeah,
बजाओ खाओ।
हल क्या हल क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
totally.
ये
यस
बताइए,
पीयूष आपकी आवाज आ
बैम्बू
रही।
शूट
अच्छा
होता क्या है बे? सब
पीयूष
लोग
एक
खाते
मिनट,
रहते हैं।
एक फीडबैक आया है कि तुम्हारे
वो
स्पीकर
ठीक
का
है
वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम करना है।
भाई, मेरा स्पीकर का वॉल्यूम एकदम 0 है,
अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा है
आवाज ही नहीं आएगी हम लोग को।
तो
मतलब हम
अब
लोग सुन
एनीवे
ही नहीं पाएंगे।
ठीक है, तुम बोलो क्या बोल रहे थे।
और मेरे लैप देखो, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरे लैपटॉप के स्पीकर फटे हुए हैं, तो अगर मैं
Oh no.
लैपटॉप के स्पीकर से तुम लोग को सुनूंगा तो मैं नहीं सुन पाऊंगा।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स कंटिन्यू ऐसे ही। बोलो क्या बोल रहे थे। बैम्बू शूट।
बैम्बू शूट होता क्या है? बैम्बू शूट तो बताओ यार।
पता नहीं है. I know what it tastes like.
इवन आई डोंट नो।
मतलब
सर्च
एक
करूंगा मैं। हाँ ठीक है, तुम लोग
चलो
कंटिन्यू करो
रहने
यार।
दो। अच्छा वी नो व्हाट बैबल फिश मींस बट फॉर आवर ऑडियंस कैन यू प्लीज
हाँ. तो
टेल अस व्हाट इट इज।
okay. So the word पहले तो it's babel fish, not babel fish. But चलेगा.
एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी।
No, no, I know
Babul.
why you're saying this. There is a very big production house जिसका नाम Babel Fish है, so this happens a lot. I totally get it. So Babel Fish is actually a character in a book called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. तो उसमें that's like a crazy sci-fi book, so much humor and इतनी absurd. I mean, it's written by someone who has a very good understanding of astronomy, but he's written it in such a way that it's filled with so much humor. So he's literally playing around with concepts. So it's such a pleasure to read. बहुत मजा आता है. So in that book there is a character called Babyfish. It's a tiny fish जिसको you slip it inside your ear, and if you do that then it can translate any language in the universe for you. Like कोई भी language किसी भी galaxy या किसी के भी planet में language है,
Wow.
it will be able to translate it. So that I found that pretty cool, and the name itself, I think we all found it pretty interesting. And if you have to tie it to the album, it's kind of like music, and the music that we made for the album, it's like our Babel Fish, in the sense it's our way of expressing ourselves to the world as a band. Ki bhai, this is what we are and this is what we sound like, and these are the topics that we enjoy, writing about or jamming on. So yeah, that was the idea behind Babel Fish. And we also made a little video as part of the as part of the whole promotion, to show to our followers what Babel Fish is all about and the idea behind the album. So yeah, that's what it is. सभी म्यूट हो
सही
गए.
है, सही है।
हाय यश.
प्रतीक गायब हो गया है।
हाँ.
प्रतीक गिर गया गड्ढे में।
लैपटॉप लेके गिर गया। तो अभी क्या चल रहा है शुभांगी? लाइक हाउ इज द न्यू थिंग गोइंग ऑन? New phase.
Oh God, the new normal.
Yeah, the new normal.
That phrase. So when the lockdown initially started, I think everyone's, at least my whole, all our plans and जो मैंने सोचा था कि this is what's going to happen. Last year the album was launched, and this year we're going to kind of capitalize on it and perform, and everything went for a toss. वो तो everything just went through out of the window. उसके बाद ऐसा solid existential crisis हुआ for quite a while. How do you even make music in a situation like this, where everything is so unpredictable? In the next day you have no clue what's happening. I mean, you don't even know if you're getting a virus that you never even knew existed. So it was a different mindset altogether. So it took me time to just process the whole thing. Uske baad I did do a couple of fundraiser gigs, because that was what was happening around that time. So wo sab kiya. I also did one tribute gig to one of the musicians that I really admire, just to center myself, because I really was not in a position to write something new, and I really am in awe of people who are doing that right now, and really hats off to them. But I was just not in the mind space to create something, and if I did, it would have sounded so dark and depressing, and I wanted to kind of get out of it slightly, to be able to write something slightly in a centered way. ऐसे मुझे एकदम extreme ऐसे लिखने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. So I did these fundraiser gigs and tribute gigs for a while. Then now I think it's 5 months since we've all been in the lockdown. धीरे धीरे things are settling in mentally. So I think now maybe I'll be in a position along with the band to come up with something. So yeah, that's how it's been going.
So
Hi
where are you
Pratika.
now?
I
Hi,
am
Pratika.
in yeah, I'm in Pune right now.
Acha.
Yeah. Hello, Pratika. Thank you.
So how do you
So
guys usually write? Do you guys
काफी
write the
डिस्टरबेंस
music
आ रहा है कहीं से.
एक
together?
मिनट मुझे वापस हम लोग को डिस्कनेक्टेड
sorry. Sorry. What did you ask?
Yeah, I was asking, how do you guys usually write music? Is it like you first come up with the lyrics and the main tune of the song, and then the band adds on, or do you guys write together?
Right. So for Babelfish, some of the ideas, at least the lyrical ideas and the core jo melody jo thi, those were already in my head for a long time, even back when I used to perform solo. So those
Right.
ideas were there since then. But when the band came together, we started jamming on it. It took a completely different form. So
Mm-hmm.
different from what it was when it was just a solo effort, because उस time पे I was with my guitar, मैं अपना ही percussion करी थी guitar पे, अपना ही
Yeah.
rhythm, you just condense the whole song into just performing as a standalone one. But when the band comes together, everyone adds their own personalities, their own layers. So that's
Yeah.
what happened to the song. So even though technically, yeah, the ideas were there before, all the songs took a life of their own when the band came together.
Yeah.
That happened with Babelfish.
Right.
After this, like the music that we do come out with later, like what's going to happen now, that is something that we had consciously planned. It's going to be like a joint effort from the get go. Like from
Right.
scratch, we're going to come up with ideas.
Like from the jam room, you're gonna
Yeah, from
start
yeah,
building ideas.
absolutely. That's the plan.
Right.
वो काफी delay हो गया है, but that's the plan.
Yeah. In
Yeah,
the current scenario, that is
Yeah, everything is delayed.
very.
I
Piyush was just discussing that Abhi they were thinking of jamming at home,
I know.
but looks difficult right now.
Yeah. Everything is so tricky. Yeah. You go to buy groceries, you have to disinfect every freaking thing that you get inside your house. So just coordinating these things becomes
Yeah,
really
yeah,
difficult.
yeah. Yeah, it becomes very stressful in itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And like you were saying,
Also,
so yeah,
you've
Piyush.
shifted your house in this
हाँ.
lockdown. इसके
Yes.
बारे में कुछ बताओ यार, ये तो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है अभी फिलहाल. कैसे
My
शिफ्ट कर
God,
डाला
मैं
तुमने
क्या
घर?
क्या बताऊं उसके बारे में. It was such a task. I mean, इतनी planning. I think album launch के time पे भी नहीं की होगी मैंने, because coming up, what happened was that I was staying with a couple of people, with my flatmates, and obviously, like a lot of people, they all went and stayed, decided to go back to their families and stay in their hometowns. So I also had that that choice to make, and the same thing happened to my partner also. Uske bhi flatmates had moved back, so both of us decided ki what do we do next. And whatever work, I mean, obviously a lot of work has reduced, but whatever work that both of us were doing is all remote. So that can happen from any location. So it didn't really require us to be in Mumbai. So jab tak like things are a little tricky, so we decided, and there was a place in Mumbai that we could move to. तो हमने सोचा कर लेते हैं, and then let's take it as it comes. तो क्वाइट अ टास्क यार. आई यूज्ड टू, मतलब मेंटली मुझे सपने आते थे कि अच्छा मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स नहीं आए टाइम पे, ये नहीं हुआ, सामान छूट गया, मतलब ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. बट समहाउ वी डिड इट एंड या इट जस्ट हैपेंड.
कितने
आई एम
बनवाने
जस्ट
पड़े तुमको?
हाँ,
ई
ई पास
कितने
बनवाने
बनवाने पड़े?
एक बनाना पड़ा, because like you have to apply, one person has to apply and everyone else is a co-passenger. ऐसे तो किया, and till the last day we didn't get it. We got it on the evening of the last day. तो उसका इतना टेंशन था, my god, it was quite challenging. Joshua, even I'm
Joshua
looking for.
इधर flats and flatmates
Joshua,
fight कर रहा है.
find someone in Hyderabad, dude. Why are you putting it on this live?
भाई फ्लैट
पीयूष के सर पे किसी ने ब्रश रख दिया है, शू ब्रश.
Oh god. So yeah. तुम लोग बताओ, what are your plans? Are you guys working on something अभी? Are you managing to do something यहाँ पे on a track or something?
पीयूष बताएगा, बताओ।
पीयूष का एक्चुअली आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
बताओ, तुम लोग बताओ यार। कुछ नहीं यार, हम लोग एक पुराने गाने पकड़ के बना के और बेच रहे हैं।
प्री प्रोडक्शन अभी तक खत्म नहीं हो पा रहा है कोरोना की वजह से।
हाँ,
काफी देर तक चले, अब तो और टाइम लगेगा मुझे लग रहा
अभी तो डेफिनेटली लगेगा। एक तुमने कुछ ट्रैक बनाए, सेंड इट समवन एल्स, दे पुट देयर ओन आइडियाज, फिर दूसरे पे जाता है। द होल प्रोसेस इज लाइक
या
है। जल्दी तो नहीं होता है, जितना सोचो वैसा तो कभी नहीं।
अबे यहाँ पे हम लोग की लेने की प्लानिंग चल रही है, तुम कहाँ ये सब बातों में पड़ रही हो?
गाने सब बने हुए हैं, पार्ट सारे फिक्स्ड है,
गाने
लेकिन
बन
ready
गए,
नहीं हो पा रहा है।
प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो पा रहा है, रिकॉर्ड करके नहीं भेज।
आई रिमेम्बर तुम लोगों का जो लॉन्च हुआ था राज पे, that was quite cool, it was quite interesting, yeah, मजा आया था। And I remember you saying this on stage कि we have so much material for like the next 2 albums also. I remember you saying that, so I'm sure you guys have a lot of material.
हाँ मतलब है।
क्या हो गया?
We have some songs ready. एक okay, so 2 things are happening. एक पुराना गाना है बसर, we have recorded it, वीडियो का चल रहा है edit, and we will release it soon. Almost there. Like, Basar is almost done. And then we have some songs for a EP also. That is also in the works. उसका recording process I think 40% हो गया है. But 4 गाने हैं तो थोड़ा time लगेगा अभी। विकल्प हंस रहा है।
मेरा पूरा हो चुका है।
विकल्प का हो गया काम।
मेरा हो गया, तुम लोग देख लो।
यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं उनका हो गया है।
अच्छा, हाँ करेक्ट।
हाँ,
सबका
हम
काम
तीनों का हो गया है।
पीयूष और शिवम का थोड़ा थोड़ा बाकी है। तो once that is done, we have, I think अर्श भी है, लाइव देख रहा होगा। Hello अर्श, if you're watching. He is, you know him from First Culture. He is mixing Basar and he's going to mix those tracks also. तो उसका काम चल रहा है। And I missed some part. Were you talking about what is your future? Are you writing some songs? Is something in the works from your end also? I missed.
All the ideas जो अभी बैंड के songs के हैं, they're all in voice notes. That's the stage. I'm being very honest. That's the stage. That's it. हाँ, ऐसा lyrics लिख दी हैं. Some ideas are there, and the band hates me for it because it's taken time to just start this whole process. पर अब now that I've shifted and थोड़ा production setup बन गया है घर पे once again, तो अब शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो hopefully things will look up from now on, songwriting wise. Yeah, let's see what happens.
You were saying you had performed, the songs in Babelfish as a solo set, and I also remember this was probably a year before you released the album. You had probably gone to USA, somewhere in USA, and you were playing your songs there. Tell us about how that happened and how that. And you met Danny Carey, right?
Yeah.
Varun told me that.
That was awesome.
Yeah, tell us about that also.
Yeah, drummers over here were freaking out when we saw that.
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है?
Arey, that was. Let me start with that actually. So I found out that he was playing with a couple of his friends at a local pub. तो मैंने देखा and he was not playing metal. He was just freewheeling. ऐसा a couple of friends have come together, all stars jam की तरह.
Okay.
तो I prepared an acoustic version of Latralis.
Wow.
पूरा prepare करके गए कि I'm gonna floor him, मैं जाऊंगी, and there was an open mic after the performance. I was like, I'm gonna do this. पूरा prepare किया वहाँ पे बैठ के. Then I went and these guys performed. I was sitting like so close yahin pe, because there was no concept of stage at that pub. It was so tiny and cramped. So chairs and the stage.
Where
is
was
like,
this? Which city?
This is in LA.
LA.
Los Angeles.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
yeah.
तो वहाँ पे था, and the Baked Potato, that's the name of
I've
the
gone to that club actually. It's
You've
very
been
fun.
there?
Yeah, I've been there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what a vibe, na? It's so cozy.
Yeah.
Musicians are right there.
Yeah.
So that's how it was.
यहाँ सारी-
And मेरे side पे ऐसे tool heads बैठे हुए थे दोनों. They were like, "Oh, are you here are you watching him live for the first time?" I was like, "Yeah." "Are you also a Tool fan?" I was like, "Yeah." So all of us were sitting there, and it was it was just mind blowing, yeah, watching that performance. But unfortunately, I think he was not well or something, so he had to leave. So he normally he like all the musicians, they hang around for the open mic that happens afterwards.
Right.
But he left and I was heartbroken. I was like, मैंने इतनी मेहनत से वो पूरा acoustic arrangement बनाई है, कौन सुनेगा अब? And I felt so defeated. तो I was like, चलो एटलीस्ट मैं हाय हेलो तो बोल देती. तो मैं भागी before when he was going. I was like, hi, come all the way from India. Hello, ये वो बात की. And then yeah, I was the happiest person that day. That's the story.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
यार
So-
मैंने मिस कर दिया यार. कौन था ये?
Danny Carey.
डैनी कैरी.
Hmm.
Hi, Anurag.
He was tough.
Yeah.
So that's big. Anyway, tell us about the
कौन है
US
यहाँ?
tour.
कौन है?
And like, where all did you perform?
नहीं लोग
Hmm.
Oh, there.
So I performed. So there is a music festival that happens in Utah called the Women's Red Rock Festival.
Right.
So so I had applied to perform there, and I got selected. So that's how this whole idea for tour actually came together, because there was someone who could fund the travel and stay. If that wouldn't have happened, it would have been really like indie musicians ke liye, it's next to impossible to put
Yeah.
together something like this. So when the flights were sorted and I knew that at least there's one place where I'm performing, उसके बाद I reached out to some venue owners and promoters. I reached out to So Far Sounds. In सब लोगों को I just sent across my profile well in time, at least 2 months, 3 months beforehand, saying that hey, I'll be coming to the US on these dates, so I'd love to perform. So that's how the whole tour came together. पहले I performed in Utah, then I performed a couple of places in LA. उसके बाद lastly I went to San Francisco. I have a friend who stays there, so I stayed with him, and there were 1 or 2 venues where I performed. तो वहाँ पे हो गया. So the whole process, I think the whole tour was for 20 days, and it was the first time I had planned something like this from A to Z on my own. So it was as scary as it was exciting, but thankfully everything went well. So I'm really happy about that. So it's something I'll never forget. And abhi ghar pe baith ke, when I think about those times, it feels as if did that really even happen? It feels so different from what's happening right now. It's surreal. It's sapne ki tarah lagta hai. It feels like a dream.
Seriously.
I remember messaging you on Facebook and asking you about how do you manage like your stuff,
Yeah.
who gets your gigs and all that. And
I
So I
think,
think
sorry.
for upcoming singer songwriters, like it should be a lesson that everything has to be done on their own.
Yeah, I mean, if you have someone who is who is an artist manager, who is promoting you from the get go and is well connected, that's great. I mean, use that by all means. ऐसा नहीं है कि you need to start from scratch yourself. If you have that kind of that kind of help, but if you don't, you shouldn't let that stop you in any way.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a certain kind of music that you've made that you want to share, and you should just go for it. I mean, how sweet. But yeah, just reach out to venues yourself, make a very professional acha EP ke banao, put everything there, and make sure that the quality of music that you're submitting is good. And if everything is prepared from your end, that's pretty much all you can do. Uske baad just yeah, that's what you should be doing.
किसी के लिए रुको मत मतलब.
Because that may or may not happen. I mean, and
Yeah.
especially in the indie scene, like you don't know how many people who can support you, when can that happen. So you should not really wait for some perfect time to launch your music. As long as you are happy with what you've created, you should just go for it yourself.
Did you feel the audience over there was more receptive towards the kind of music that you guys
I
are
did.
making? Yeah.
I did. It was so cool. I mean, the stuff that I have made, in my room, या फिर back in India, वहाँ पे जाके I'm just playing it. I'm giving a very small introduction to what the song is about, and a lot of for a lot of people in the crowd, they really connected to the songs, and they told me so after the gig finished. I mean, Ode to the Moon is one song that I played, and this one girl came up to me after the gig and she was like, normally I don't tear up at gigs like this, but you made me cry, and things like that. It felt so good, to see that there's an audience there that can connect to your music at that level. So that was quite interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So did you try to plan out something where you can go again, maybe with the band and
That's exactly what we were planning to do after
this year?
Babelfish launched, because and a full length album is quite an effort. It takes time, it takes far more effort than releasing a single. It's quite a body of work. So once something like this gets released, and once you get press for it, and once you've done a tour up now, in India and in cities across the country, that's what we were planning to do this year. That once we've launched the album in for all it's worth, then we can maybe start applying abroad again, reach out again to those promoters and see if they will be willing to host us in some way, and see what kind of arrangement we can work out. But वो सब ऐसा बांध के
कोरोना ने खा लिया.
खा लिया, कोरोना ने खा लिया.
Anurag Tagat is asking what
What country is on Zaira's?
Countries. हम लोग को कहीं भी भेज दो भाई.
नेपाल
नेपाल भेज दो हम लोग.
Nepal,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
श्रीलंका.
Dude, we've
Sri
performed
Lanka.
in Bhutan. This reminds
Oh
me.
wow.
Yeah.
भूटान भेज दो यार.
हाँ यार
सभी बात कर रहा था अजरबैजान की.
अजरबैजान चले जाएंगे हम लोग.
Azerbaijan.
अजरबैजान. कहीं
but
चले
I
जाए
think
यार हम लोग.
some European country would be
Yeah.
like a good choice.
Sweden, Norway.
In fact, yeah. Savi was telling us that over the last few weeks,
Norway.
there have been a lot of streams of Daira's songs in Norway.
Yeah, that's why.
अरे
Norway.
वाह,
Yeah,
interesting.
we have no idea how.
Iceland.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
किसी गाने में कोरोना गाए हो क्या तुम? कहीं से सुन के
हो सकता है. याद करो.
विपरीत बुद्धि में कहीं होगा.
Did you?
Azerbaijan.
कौन सी अभी ये लेटेस्ट बॉलीवुड मूवी कौन सी देखी यार तुमने? बताओ कुछ.
हाँ
Wow.
और क्यों?
सोचना पड़ेगा.
Good.
हाँ तो
बहुत टाइम हो गया है.
रहने दो.
I
मैं-
watched this movie Choked on I think Prime. It was a really nice movie.
Which one?
Yeah.
Choked. Yeah,
Choked.
हाँ काफी unconventional indie kind of movie है.
Is it
With no-
recently released?
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
I
अनुराग
heard.
कश्यप.
हाँ.
अनुराग कश्यप.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
I like that movie.
I've been watching the shows, यार, ये Dark and
Choked.
Oh, dark
Travelers.
is too much.
Yeah. All time
Too
traveling
much.
stuff.
You're into that sci-fi.
हाँ.
Into sci-fi.
Totally.
Yeah.
दायरा लाइव एट अयोध्या कर सकते हैं. हाँ.
हाँ, he was also suggesting राम मंदिर का thread cutting ceremony में हम लोग बजाते हैं. That will be nice.
वो हम लोग का आखिरी गीत होगा उसका.
हाँ.
हाँ, एक गाना भी है ना.
तीर चलेंगे बाण.
मंदिर वहीं बनाएंगे.
हाँ, बजा दो वो गाना.
स्टेज पे ही बन जाएगा मंदिर पूरा. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ.
अभी ऐसे लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन में आई थिंक ओनली दोस काइंड ऑफ गिग्स विल गेट फंडिंग राइट नाउ.
Yes.
Yeah. उसमें फंडिंग भी रहेगा, क्राउड भी रहेगा.
हाँ. क्राउड
Daira
फंडिंग.
live in Ayodhya.
इससे याद आया, चेन स्मोकर्स का कॉन्सर्ट हुआ कहीं तो यूएस में अभी.
अच्छा
हाँ, इस लॉकडाउन के बीच में. और लोग आए भी.
चेन इज स्मोकर.
कुछ भी हो रहा है यूएस में.
यार, I saw Sonu Nigam was also doing a concert, I think, in
Like a physical proper concert.
yeah. And he said he was like the first artist to do a full-scale concert after the corona thing.
Oh,
अभी तक आफ्टर हुआ नहीं है ना लेकिन.
after कभी नहीं होगा.
भाई दुबई में हो रही है.
दुबई में
During-
कुछ नहीं है यार. दुबई everything
हाँ.
like is 100% working. मेरा दोस्त हर रोज ऑफिस जाता है वहाँ.
हुआ है.
अच्छा.
तो तुम क्लास लेते
2
हो
महीने से.
एंथनी, वो भी तो कुछ अपना वर्कशॉप्स भी कर रहा है वहाँ से.
वर्कशॉप भी
India-
कर रहा है, gigs and all भी हो रहा है वहाँ.
इंडिया में बहुत टाइम लगेगा कोरोना खत्म होने के लिए.
हाँ यार.
पहले तो लोग ऐसे कोरोना से खतरनाक लोग हैं वो तो.
आईपीएल हो रहा है.
बुहार.
बात भी सही है. आईपीएल हो रहा है. यार
सबसे वर्स्ट गिग कौन सा था एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब सबसे
लाइफ
खराब
में
अभी तक?
बैंड गिग या फिर सोलो गिग?
कोई
व्हाटएवर।
भी,
कैसे भी
कोई
कैसे
भी।
मतलब जो सबसे खराब हो, मतलब टॉप पे हो?
सोलो गिग एक बार हुआ था. आई थिंक आई वाज परफॉर्मिंग एट अ ब्रूअरी फॉर अ ब्रंच गिग. दिस वाज वे बैक, ऐसा 2015 और समथिंग. एंड आई वाज प्लेइंग, आई थिंक आई वाज प्लेइंग द रेन सॉन्ग उस टाइम पे. तो ऐसा इन द जोन फुल, ऐसा लेड जेपलिन चैनलिंग रेन सॉन्ग बजा रही हूँ. और साइड से ऐसा वेटर आता है सेइंग, मैम व्हाइल आई एम प्लेइंग, हाँ गाना गा रही हूँ, वो साइड से आके जोर से बोलता है, मैडम वो लड़की का ना बर्थडे, प्लीज हैप्पी बर्थडे गा लो. और मैं उसे ऐसा डेथ स्टेयर देती हूँ. आई हैव नेवर गिवन सच अ सॉलिड डेथ स्टेयर टू एनीवन. And he still didn't get the point. उसे तब भी समझ नहीं आया. And then I went on to perform. Then I think the family saw that death stare. So after the gig, they were like, "Sorry, हमने किसी को भेजा उसके लिए, but you performed very well." But वो मुझे याद है अभी भी. That gig I'll never forget. Second, I think one quite an adventurous gig was during our album launch itself. The first gig that we played in Kolkata, I miss saying Kolkata. That was the first gig of our
Yeah.
tour. तो वहाँ पे द साउंड चेक वेंट ग्रेट, एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट, इक्विपमेंट सब अच्छा था. देन व्हेन वी वेंट ऑन द स्टेज टू परफॉर्म, all the sound check settings had gone back to zero, and we had no clue how that happened. And the sound check was happening while we were performing, and this was the first gig of our launch tour. तो ऐसा श्री गणेश हुआ हमारे launch tour का. But then after that gig, we were like, nothing can phase us. अगर ये पहले gig भी हो सकता है, तो we're gonna ace everything else. And thankfully, all the other gigs went well. But that was, I think, none of us will forget that gig as a band.
Really.
Yeah. That's what happened. What about you guys?
I think I was just
For us,
remembering. I
whenever
think at
we
a,
think something, nothing is gonna be worse than this. There's something turns up.
Oh no. हाँ, इस साल तो
कुछ ना
definitely.
कुछ
There's
होगा.
a theme. There's a
एक-
theme of this year.
Go
नहीं,
on.
वैसे भी हम लोग के बेस्ट ईयर्स में हुआ है ये.
Oh no.
बेस्ट ईयर्स.
Explain.
हम लोग का वो गिग
Yeah.
था ना, वो कौन सा था, बियर फेस्ट, जहाँ पुलिस आके.
नहीं भाई देखो, मुझे एक तो सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रांगली याद है. हम लोग नागालैंड गए पहली बार और बहुत स्टाइल में गए कि जीतेंगे और ये वो. यहाँ पे नागालैंड वो बॉम्बे रॉयल टूर और
हर
जीत
लाइव में
भी
ये
गए.
का बात होता है.
हाँ, जीत आएंगे.
हाँ.
सुनो तो, गए पहले दिन पहला बैंड प्ले किया हम लोगों ने. चिट उठाई, सभी ने चिट उठाई, सभी का हाथ मनहूस.
Okay.
उसने चिट उठाई, फर्स्ट नंबर आया, हम लोगों ने पहले दिन बजाया. इट वाज रेनिंग, देयर वाज नोबडी इन द ऑडियंस.
Oh God.
ठीक है, वो बजाया, हार गए. हारे, उसके बाद वापस आए. वहाँ 3-4 दिन एकदम ऐसे करके राइस बियर पी के ऐसे घूम रहे हैं सब. उसके बाद वापस आए. वी वेंट टू गोवा
Oh.
to play a gig at this place called Naked Space, and there were
Immediately
two people in
after.
the audience.
हाँ, immediately नहीं,
we landed
immediately
here, took
नहीं,
a bus to Goa.
नहीं, दो दिन थे बीच में. सभी का वैसा हुआ था.
भगत साले.
He came to Bombay.
तुरंत गए थे.
अच्छा.
तुरंत गए थे. ये लोग के लिए शायद तुरंत. हाँ. सभी and Sagar, our sound engineer at that time, they were coming by
They
train,
came in a
and
train,
Ashwin, our photographer.
Okay.
तो वो लोग आए and we immediately took a bus to Goa, and we went to Goa के अब तो भाई एक अच्छा गिग तो हो ही जाएगा कम से कम, मतलब लाइफ में कुछ तो स्ट्रेस जाएगा. We went to Goa and there were 2 people in the audience.
Oh man.
ठीक है, 2 people in the audience. They both were the owners of the place. Hello.
But एक
Wow.
अच्छा चीज ऐसा था, we were living in
क्या
that
बात
very
है.
resort, and वो resort में स्विमिंग पूल था. तो गिग के बाद
हाँ.
सब लोग
एंड
स्विमिंग
अच्छा
पूल
खाना
में
तो
गए
रहेगा ही.
और बस फिर सब भूल गए.
That's great यार. ठीक है.
इसी से काम
Gig
चला
करके भूल जाओ, then just relax.
Gig wig सब गया.
आई थिंक हम लोगों ने सागर को उठा के फेंका भी था पूल में, और वो सब हो गया था. फ्रस्ट्रेशन उस पे निकाल के सब.
Featherweight.
हाँ.
सागर featherweight.
हाँ. तो ऐसा है गिग एक्सपीरियंस.
सबका है भाई. अभी मतलब सब लोग परेशान है
हाँ.
जिंदगी में.
हाँ.
तुमको उस पे नैपकिन पे लिख के नहीं आता है क्या शीला की जवानी?
हाँ, एक बार आया था, शीला की जवानी नहीं पर ऐसा नैपकिन पे आया था कि मैडम प्लीज सिंग सम हिंदी सॉन्ग्स आल्सो ना, ऐसे करके आया था।
ना भी था?
हाँ, ना भी था, क्वेश्चन मार्क। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, मैडम प्लीज। I could hear the tone in which that message was written. इतने सब प्लीडिंग और इमोशंस थे उसमें
उम्मीदें उन लोगों को बहुत
It was
रहती
not
है।
even a napkin, ऐसा फटा हुआ आधा पेपर रैंडम साइज है। मैडम प्लीज हिंदी ना
Pritesh बोल रहा है, we always victimize the engineer. Pritesh, we can't lift you and throw you in the pool, man.
So you're saying
Otherwise, we won't do this with you because you will get back at us.
You are heavyweight.
Yeah.
Sagar was lightweight.
bro, play Summer of '69, bro. Please, it's my girlfriend's
Yes.
birthday.
Yeah.
Yes,
Another crowd favorite.
all been there, seriously.
So एक corporate gig में हुआ था. We had gotten a lot of requests. तो पीयूष ने हर request का एक line fast
This was in Kolkata only, no?
Yes.
That gig.
Yeah.
ये
Wow.
शौर्य भी था ना वहाँ।
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो
Amazing.
Yeah.
फटाफट I sang from जोर से बोलो जय माता दी to this thing I want to break free.
My
सब
God.
भाई, सब
जोर से बोलो जय माता दी, I want to break free.
yes. That was one weird thing.
हाँ, आगे बढ़ो, कोई अच्छा सवाल करो
भाई
यार,
अभी
कोई।
तो ऐसा हो गया ना सही में कि कोई भी गाना दे दो मैं उतने ही पैशन से बजाऊंगा चाहे कोई भी गाना हो वो। अभी टाइम आ गया
ऊपर वाले
है
की
वो।
लाठी है बड़ी।
अच्छा,
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
tell us about your switch in career.
हाँ ये मैं भी
Was
पूछने
it-
वाला था।
हाँ तो
Okay.
नहीं पहले उससे भी पहले जाओ लाइक हाउ डिड इट ऑल स्टार्ट फॉर यू। सबका
Music.
अलग अलग होता है ना
हाँ.
और ऐसा मेन स्ट्रीम तो है नहीं इन आवर कंट्री भाई म्यूजिक बचपन से आ गया तो हाउ डिड केम टू।
So, I mean, my parents really appreciate music. There was always music around the house. I mean, old Purana, old is gold wala Hindi Bollywood music. It always used to play. Then my mom had a harmonium. So uspe I used to start playing around as a kid. Then my dad got a keyboard. उसपे भी वो बैकग्राउंड वाली ढिचिक ढचिक वाली बीट्स लगा के आई यूज्ड टू प्ले अराउंड ऑन द कैसियो. तो वो सब किया. Then after that there was a guitar teacher who used to come to our house to teach my elder sister actually. But she was more of a singer than a guitarist. तो वो ऐसा क्लॉक रख देती थी सामने कि कब क्लास खत्म हो गई, कब मेरा पीछे छूटेगा. तो she was not interested. But I wanted to learn. So I took the guitar and I told my parents कि why don't I continue the classes if she doesn't want to. तो
nice.
वो थोड़ा बहुत शुरू किया. I learned, some open chords, some basics. उसके बाद I think we had to shift houses, so the classes stopped. But I think by then मुझे वो ऐसा the fire had started. So I started listening to a lot of songs and all your boy bands to begin with, and your Linkin Park and Westlife,
nice.
all kinds of like typical all that music. उससे शुरू किया. Then I started listening to a lot of instrumental guitarists and a lot of different genres. So at that time there used to be LimeWire and Iris, if you remember these torrent searches. So उसमें I used to literally type jazz music download. उसपे मैं ये लिखती थी और इतने सारे अलग अलग तरह के आर्टिस्ट, like that's how I found Chick Corea and
Oh, wow.
Bobby McFerrin. जो भी आते थे I used to just download and randomly listen to all these musicians. So that's how the journey began. Then school में I joined the school band. Some of those people introduced me to Joe Satriani, Steve Vai, and some other flamenco guitarists like Paco de Lucia. तो वो सब सुनने लग गई. So by that time, I knew that I feel really strong. I feel really, really strongly about music, and I think there is something in here which I can, express myself with. But of course, career उस time पे सोचा नहीं था that I'd ever think of really, try to make a career out of it. Then I did my college economics, वो सब किया. I did my post-grad MBA because, of course, your parents say you need, a backup. What if some things don't work out and you need a solid background? All of that. So I did all that. While that was going on, I started performing a couple of solo gigs. तो वो मैंने साइड पे शुरू किया. And then I think in 2015, I finally decided, or 16, somewhere in the middle, I decided कि I really want to do this. And Anand Bhaskar, he played a big role in finally like helping me take that final leap. He said that and by that time I realized that if I don't really commit myself to this, I won't get the time or the headspace to actually be able to make the music I want to. And kab tak will I keep getting scared ki what if it doesn't work out? I should give it a full shot, otherwise what's the point? So, and you will never get this chance again. And I didn't want to be this bitter 80-year-old woman thinking ki, oh shit, main kar sakti thi music, and I was too scared, so I couldn't do it. So then I finally decided to take a leap, and I quit my job. And obviously the first few first few years, they were difficult for both reasons, like financially also, because you have to figure that out. And if you come from a corporate background and you switch to an indie musician life, it's quite a change. So that happened, and of course you have to promote yourself as much as you can, because I didn't really know too many people in the scene. So that all happened, and thankfully then I started coming in contact with people who really wanted good for me, like Anand and my band, Titus, Amay, Nishan. So dheere dheere that grew, and yeah, that's been the journey, and it's worked out well.
Nice. अच्छा, Pratika has a comment. Video was released by Confusion.
वो UFO वाला क्या?
बहुत cryptic है. Please explain.
I think she means I don't know. I think she means the UFO documents and videos. I'm not sure.
I don't know. You are the
Pratika, is
sci-fi
that what you
expert.
हाँ, मतलब things are so crazy right now that US ने I think last year या अभी in Jan or sometime last year they released like a lot of they declassified a lot of UFO related documents, like the projects that they used to run, and nobody batted an eyelid because things were already so batshit crazy. तो हाँ, वो तो ठीक है, ये what's new, ये तो चलता
Wow,
ही है.
really? ऐसा हुआ?
हाँ, officially they announced it, made a statement kind of.
और मैंने एक अनसॉल्व्ड मिस्ट्रीज वाला शो है इस पे नेटफ्लिक्स पे, उसमें भी एक एपिसोड है अबाउट यूएफओ. एक देयर वाज एक कोई तो प्लेस इन यूएस जहाँ पे बहुत लोगों ने यूएफओ देखा था एक दिन पे, मतलब इट वाज अ ब्राइट लाइट एंड व्हाट नॉट. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन दिस एपिसोड.
No, I don't think.
All distraction Pritesh बोल रहा है.
Yeah.
So, do you want to get into Bollywood or no?
Not really, yeah. Matlab, if I had to, I would have made some effort by now.
That's what I was going to ask. Like, do you make efforts to?
So, not really. I mean, of course, I do. I do commercial jingles and stuff. I do ad work that way commercially. That's also one of the ways, my income streams. वो करती हूँ, पर Bollywood में I have not really made too much of an effort to actually get there. And there are a few composers जिसके साथ I did some ad work who made me, who made me sing some scratches and all of that. But that's because their music is a little is not very mainstream. It's a little interesting. So usme, and my voice, I mean, I'm not trained classically or in Hindustani vocals at all. So I have a certain style of singing. So some people might like it, some composers might like it. For Hindi music, some people won't. So that thing is there. But yes, I've not really consciously decided to pursue that.
Good. I mean, good you know, because a lot of people don't know.
Good.
A lot of people don't know what they why they get into commercial, or do they even want to do commercial music or whatnot. But that's a good thing. Clarity is very important for music career today.
Yeah.
Life is distraction from the truth.
Wow.
Of course.
Philosophy.
Yes.
Nice. Dialogue.
Uncertain times, man.
Yes.
I know.
क्या हो गया, तू हंस रहा है?
सब लोग लेकिन घूम फिर के उदास ही हो जाते हैं.
हो गया है क्योंकि हाँ
कितना
But
टाइम लग रहा है
that's how it is these days ना. 3-4 दिन your mood is good, you're feeling energetic, थोड़ा purpose लग रहा है. चौथे दिन you're like what the hell is going on यार, and you don't want to do anything that day. तो
वही
वो ऊपर नीचे that sine wave चल रही है वैसे.
Yeah.
यार घर
अभी
आके मेरा
काफी
मूड तो
गंदा
काफी
हो गया।
अच्छा हो गया है।
हाँ.
हाँ
अरे
बॉम्बे
खाना-
में मेरा खाना है, टीवी है,
Yeah.
क्लीनिंग,
खाना
झाड़ू
बना रहा है
पोछा,
शायद।
झाड़ू पोछा नहीं करना पड़ रहा है। नहीं ब्रो, वो एक भी मैं नहीं बनाया, वो सब मम्मी ही बना रही है।
यार
So what are you doing to help in that?
कुछ नहीं।
कुछ नहीं।
सोच के बोला.
हाँ मतलब नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
बट या फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट कुछ नहीं।
लेकिन शौर्य
But
तेरे घर
मैं-
पे वो एक लंच किया था वो
हाँ यार,
स्टिल
Yeah.
सारी
फ्रेश।
चीजें
या
आलू पोस्तो, मटन और ये और वो।
Shorjo's mother had prepared a very nice, rich meal for every one of us when we visited his place in Kolkata. And there was a small robot also. भी
What?
आसपास रखा होगा। हाँ, देख दिखाएगा अभी। ये
मीको
अरे
इसका नया अभी वर्जन आने वाला है, मैं देख रहा था इसको।
Hi Vivek.
हाय विवेक।
What is that robot?
It's like a child's companion, मतलब it will
हाँ
it can say poems and all.
Oh.
Although
बहुत
ये
सही
काम
चीज़ है।
नहीं करता है।
पुराना हो गया ना आपने।
बंद वाला रोबोट पे ही बहुत ट्रिप कर रहे थे ये लोग।
It's an interactive
I'm
machine
sure.
for children.
Pratika is asking
Yeah.
if anyone is involved in any social work / donations during this time.
Actually, so we did something for the mess and canteen workers of our college.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we did. We are doing a virtual fundraiser concert sort of a thing.
Oh, really?
So yeah, people from different batches are recording some stuff. So we also, our batch people recorded a song, and
Nice.
we, communicated this to people from different batches, and we managed to get a lot of money for these people who are not, currently, since the hostels are all khali.
Yeah.
They're not doing any
Yeah.
business for the last 4-5 months. So
Okay.
yeah.
Wow.
That's great. Yeah.
I think Aruna and I are doing not social work, but we are paying the cook who used to come here. That's the only the thing you can do to help.
Yeah.
No, of course, वो तो है ही यार, because they can't even look for more
Yeah.
work right now. So they're stuck in a weird position.
Yeah.
Although I think
Yeah.
now people have started calling the maids and cooks again.
Yeah. Now
Yeah,
even in our society it's allowed, but everyone is a little skeptical कि यार
Yeah.
करना चाहिए कि नहीं, थोड़ा सा डाउट रहता है।
Yeah, I know. Okay, very
Wow, Kalyani is looking after strays
After
and did a
yeah.
fundraiser.
great.
Nice.
Yeah, we can all do what we can.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah. Very important.
Tough times.
I know.
Every conversation is just coming and hitting tough times, uncertain
Tough
times.
time.
There's no escaping
Sad.
it. No matter
Yeah.
how much you talk about something else, वो background में चलता रहता है. So
हाँ.
if the moment there is silence, is like
Yeah. Acceptance is
That's-
creeping in now. कि
Tough
अभी
times.
ठीक है अब. This is
एक tough times has replaced
पीयूष के लिए इतना टफ टाइम है कि उसने बाल ही कटवा लिया अपने कि यार अब छोड़ो यार, अब मुझे बाल ही उड़ा देने।
बोर हो गया
interesting
था
formation में.
Bro, पीछे रखा है या पीछे कुछ नहीं?
नहीं पीछे नहीं रखा है
सही है।
क्योंकि
मैंने काटा था इसलिए।
नहीं अच्छा किया यार, घर में ही कटवाओ। आई थिंक मैं भी वही करने
एक
वाला हूँ।
बैच आ गया तो जरा सा ज्यादा चल गया था।
हाँ, मुझे
पूरा
ऐसे
उड़ाना
लगा कि something must have gone wrong and then you're like might as well.
उसके
अच्छा।
बाद जो बचा था वही सही, मतलब ऐसा वाला।
शिवम का क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगा अभी। व्हाट म्यूजिक आर यू लिसनिंग टू दीस डेज शुभांग? What is interesting you, intriguing you?
I'm listening to Steve Vai. I'm
Nice.
listening to my go-tos basically. ऐसा जब time आता है where you feeling uncertain, you fall back on
the
things that
uncertain times.
हाँ tough times.
The
Yes.
uncertain playlist.
The uncertain playlist is the most certain playlist because it's people who you've been listening to for like
Yeah,
a
yeah,
decade
yeah.
or more than that. So yeah, I've been listening to my good old Satriani, Steve Vai, John
Oh, wow.
Mayer, Nick Drake. I've been listening to a lot of Nick Drake.
Nice.
Anyone who asks me, मैं तो Nick Drake के गुण गाऊंगी because I think he is a musician who I want a lot of people to listen, to listen to his music. So yeah, these are the people who I've been listening to.
Camille.
Hello, Camille. What's up?
Hello,
Camille,
bhai.
how are you, Camille?
What about you guys? What have you been listening to?
Even I was listening to, like बचपन के गाने. So I was listening a lot to Red Hot Chili Peppers some time
Okay.
back. And their music is, I mean, उनका गाना सुनते ही you get into a good mood, kind of.
ये तो है.
Although their songs are not like the content is oftentimes quite dark, but their music is very uplifting.
Yeah.
I was listening to that, and I was listening to a lot of Tom Misch, and
Oh, nice. Yeah.
and Jordan Rakey, and
Jordan Rakesh.
Jordan Rakesh, हाँ. Snarky Puppy, that kind of stuff, and Pearl Jam.
I am listening to Porcupine Tree again.
Nice.
अभी सिर्फ वही सुन रहा हूँ मैं. Anesthetize रोज सुन रहा हूँ मैं, पता नहीं कितने
Nice.
दिन से.
Porcupine Tree.
हाँ, Anesthetize पूरा 22 मिनट चलता है एक दिन रोज सुबह या फिर रात को.
और उसका एक वीडियो भी है ना, बहुत
हाँ,
खतरनाक.
वही वाला वर्जन,
वही
और कोई
वाला
वर्जन अच्छा नहीं लगता.
जहाँ ड्रम्स के अंदर कैमरा है.
हाँ.
Wow.
शौर्य वहां तक हो आया है.
हाँ, ये सॉन्ग पे मैं भी बहुत ट्रिप किया हूँ कॉलेज के टाइम में.
All interesting artists.
Congal, Chet Baker, Erykah Badu.
Nice.
Nice.
इसको कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं यार? लास्ट वाला नाम जो लिखा है उसने,
Erykah Badu.
तो इतना खतरनाक क्यों है वो?
बंगाली है ये.
Cannibal Corpse.
Cannibal Corpse.
Cannibal Corpse.
Nice.
Wow.
कोशिश किया लेकिन सुन नहीं पाता हूँ. वो तो
ये college first year याद आता है when I listen to bands. I mean, like Cannibal Corpse.
You used to listen to Cannibal Corpse.
मतलब yeah, I enjoy metal. I
Yeah,
still
yeah.
enjoy metal.
Yeah. You like Tool also, right?
Yeah. Tool and Decapitated, Meshuggah, Lamb of
Nice.
God. These kind of
Nice.
bands.
Lamb of God अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Shubhangi, I had a question.
हाँ.
It's about representation of women in music. There's a lot happening there. I mean, I feel a lot of talented musicians and producers and everyone. There's a lot of women in that field, but I still feel there is some work needed to bring it equal, to make it equal, because still the ratio is more towards So what are your thoughts on this? I mean, what do you feel like? Do you think it's still patriarchal or what? Or, what is happening here?
I think there need to be a lot more female musicians. It's been
Even I
getting
think
better. I mean, of course, there are a lot of very talented female musicians who are coming in the indie scene and who are releasing music regularly, which is really cool. But yeah, I think a lot of work needs to be done to. I mean, a lot more female musicians need to be in the scene as well. And also, any kind of support in terms of programming and, just giving a platform to a lot of different types of female artists. I think that will be a good thing. Because personally, I have come across, I mean, I have, been in situations where a festival programmer came up to me who I knew. So, and it was a woman, and she told me that, hey, your music is really interesting. I find it really cool, and I want to program you. But is saal I already have one female artist.
One.
Yeah.
Wow, that's weird.
Yeah. So she was like, already, no. And she said, I already have a pretty girl who's on the lineup. So basically, she reduced me to a face and to a check on the list. And this may be true not just for her, but for a lot of other female, for a lot of festival, or gig promoters, they might think that, having ऐसा क्या बोलते figurehead type का अच्छा one or couple of female musicians might just be there to just make it look as if it's a
Yeah,
diverse lineup, but you don't really go into what music they're playing and why you're really programming them. If you just
Yeah.
programming them for an image, that's just not justice. Matlab, you feel really reduced to, like your music is nowhere to be considered in that position. So I was really surprised to hear that. And I knew the artist who she's talking about, who she had
Okay.
already programmed. So I told her she's very talented, but her music is very different from mine. So we have, we perform very different genres. So how can you really compare? And
Yeah.
so then she realized, oh, मैंने क्या बोल दिया, and she tried to justify it, but by then the words were already out. So this is just a glimpse into what
Yes.
programmers, what might be going into their head. So
Mm.
if that is a mindset, then that needs to be
That needs to change. Yes.
yeah, that needs to change for
Yeah,
sure.
and Amit Gurubaksani wrote this really fantastic article. I'm sure you must have read it, and your name was there, I think, in it. It was about Kalyani just mentioned it. According to Masterlist shared by Amit a while back, there are 250 women artists in India. Imagine, and that is just a list he made. Actually, I
Yeah,
think there is much more, but the representation is still not balanced, I
right.
feel. Yeah, and there's a lot more to be done, and conversation has to start. We have to start talking about this. That's more important, I feel.
And go a little beyond. But like I think there is a certain pressure on female musicians to craft an image, which is more than their music. I mean, have a certain visual aesthetic to things, and I'm sure like that happens with all artists. Like they
Yes.
have to create some kind of visual identity. There's nothing wrong with that. But I think with women, I think वो थोड़ा एक अलग lens आ जाता है. Oh, they need to look entertaining.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
that they need to be colorful. That kind of a thing, and that is an unnecessary pressure, and that takes
That's
away
correct.
from the music. So that is something that I don't really. It doesn't sit well with me. It's never sat well with me. At least I've tried not emphasizing on that for us as a band, and of course this in no way means that you should not have a strong visual identity, but to have it just for the sake of it as a superficial, it's a woman musician, so she needs to look pretty and she needs to act in a certain way on stage. I think that's not done.
That's not right. Correct.
Yeah, that's
Nice. Yeah. Good to hear that.
yeah.
प्रतीक एकदम प्रो वीडियो कॉल वाले हो गए यार,
क्या?
प्रोफेशनल साउंड कर रहे हो बात करते हैं। मीटिंग हो रही है तुम्हारी आजकल ऑनलाइन?
यार ऑनलाइन सिखा रहा हूँ ना
तभी
क्या practical all in the name of being able to sell objects
like a
to kids.
product,
But that
basically.
needs to absolutely stop. That's not good. Superb.
Tough times.
Tough time.
Yes, tough times.
Major vibes.
क्या करें? अगला
गाने
सवाल
वाने बना सकते
पूछो
हैं
जल्दी,
बस,
कौन है?
और कुछ नहीं कर सकते भाई।
That's all we can do right now. Yeah.
मैंने लिख दिए हैं गाने।
सही है। थर्ड एल्बम विकल्प
हाँ,
सही है।
बस रिकॉर्ड करना है।
Go for it. Man.
सही है यार।
अब हमारा वो प्री प्रोडक्शन हो नहीं रहा है तो मैं क्या करूँ?
क्या भैया कोई सवाल वाला है किसी के पास?
हाँ।
यहाँ पर क्या टफ टाइम्स?
तुम लोगों का सॉन्ग राइटिंग प्रोसेस क्या है? हाउ डज दैट स्टार्ट?
हम लोग का सॉन्ग राइटिंग प्रोसेस ये है कि पहले हम लोग गाने बनाते हैं, फिर हम लोग वेट करते हैं 2 साल, उसको रखते हैं गाने
तो मैरिनेट होने देते हैं।
फर्मेंटेशन।
ओके।
नहीं यार, मतलब इट डिपेंड्स। इट्स मतलब अभी लेटली तो सारे गाने जितने बन रहे थे सब जैम रूम में ही बन रहे हैं, और अभी जैम रूम है नहीं।
आई नो।
कोई एक कुछ पार्ट कोई शुरू करता है, मतलब कुछ एक पार्ट बना के लाता है, उसके ऊपर हम लोग जैम करते जाते हैं। बेसिकली यही होता है।
हाँ।
ज्यादातर यही होता है।
ज्यादातर
कभी कदार ऐसा हो जाता है कि कोई एक लाइन व्हिच इज स्टक इन माय हेड और समथिंग, आई कीप ऑन सिंगिंग दैट एंड देन everybody joins in likewise, just किसी के दिमाग में कोई riff फंसी होगी। It works like that only. I think most of the bands work that way, but मतलब ये भी सही है। शुरू में I used to bring a few like songs ये इसमें काम करते हैं, ये गाना ready,
Okay.
मतलब कोई फिक्स
पर हाँ
पैटर्न
वो
है ही नहीं।
फर्मेंटेशन वाला जरूरी है।
हाँ 2-3 साल जरूर. It needs to age.
It needs to age and it needs to go out of the set list. Then we'll release.
अच्छा.
फिर वो गाना रिलीज हो जाएगा, फिर भी वो गाना बजाएंगे नहीं,
नहीं
क्योंकि
बजाएंगे।
वो पुराना हो गया।
So what is?
अबे
हाँ, बोलो पीयूष,
हाँ
go for it.
छोड़ो, नहीं 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 रहने दो। टफ
Anyway.
टाइम्स, टफ टाइम्स।
Tough time.
वो देखो चिड़िया उड़ रही है।
हाँ
और
कहाँ गया टफ टाइम्स, कहाँ चला गया?
टाइम्स में ही तो हूँ। और कौन है?
शौर्यो।
शौर्यो।
जो खाना बनाने लगा क्या अभी से?
नहीं आगे बढ़ो यार।
हाँ,
कुछ
so
बताओ, प्रतीक।
yes. So, Shorjo, you have some questions?
Questions. No यार.
अब वो पूछ रहा था तुम आ गए।
I have a question for my mom कि डिनर में क्या है?
पूछो.
वो भी जाऊंगा. Right after this.
Yes. Okay. Cool.
So,
Fermentation
Shubhangi, what is
जरूरी
what
है.
is in store for you in the immediate coming future? What is happening for you?
Abhi to, like I said, I will try my best to convert those voice notes into tracks.
Yes.
That is the task at hand. And my band, I'm feeling so bad. Itne time se, they all have figured out recording, a recording setup. Now that I've shifted and I have a setup, we can actually start working on that. So I think we won't get too ambitious. We'll start with one track.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll start with the single, then let's see how it goes.
Super.
That's
Yeah,
what we'll do.
we hope to hear it very, very soon.
Thank you.
Yes, we're looking forward to it. And with that, I would like to wrap up today's live session. Yes, if anyone has anything to say, this is the time. Otherwise, we will call it.
Maza aaya yaar. Had a good time.
And thank you for joining us. I think this was. I don't know what episode with this, but we have been doing this uh, for some time now. Ever since the lockdown started, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did.
Good.
Good times.
16th episode, I've been told.
Good times,
Yeah,
good
good
times.
times.
Yes, this is good time. Yes, let's think positive and stay positive.
Yes, of
Superb.
course.
So,
Yes.
Big Boss, do we have a song that we are playing?
Thanks, Pratika.
See you all soon. Yes, all the best. Oh, right. We've been told that we usually do this. We usually play a video of the guest artist, but we cannot do it today. So apologies for that. We've been told that video rights के वजह से it gets blocked. So
Okay, so if anyone
so
who's
whole
like wants
session.
to watch a video of the band, then go to YouTube and type
Yes.
"Surfing with the Times."
Yeah, I love
you,
that video.
Thank you.
you
Oh,
can we can find all your music on all platforms, right?
yeah, just
Yes,
type
super.
Babelfish or Shubhangi Joshi Collective. You'll find it everywhere.
Yes,
Yeah.
superb. I think it's time to say goodbye.
Okay.
All right.
Take care,
See
guys.
you.
Great
Thank
talking
you,
to all
thank
of
you.
you.
Bye bye. Same here.
Bye bye.
Good day.